What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel, where our main focus and goal is to make money in the stock market. And what we came to talk about here in today's video is QBTS. For those that is still holding the stock, can you please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below? Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out ACHR for all you shareholders out there. You may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video. It's going to be very important. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. But before we do so, don't forget to smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. It really does help the channel grow. So if you do want to support in any shape, fashion, or form, just do me that big favor. And also, let's see if we can make it to 36,000 subscribers here today. We got about 40 subscribers away from the 36,000 milestone. So let's see. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is QBTS. Great news here on today's trading. We did get a analyst price target rise to $7 here, but as you all know, we do already have a $7 price target for QBTS, which I do feel as though will be reached and breached here in the month of December. Yesterday's short sell analysis did come in pretty darn hot at that 10.22%, but the total trading volume was extremely high as well. We're seeing a steady line in volume here in QBTS these last 4 days of trading, with the lowest day being 72 and our highest day of trading coming in at that 88 million, which we did receive here on Tuesday. I do feel as though that we're going to see a very high volume trading day on the day for QBTS, thanks to that analyst PT rise. But other than that, ladies and gentlemen, the sector is still hot. We did go through a cool down here these last 3 days of trading, and I hope that didn't make you panic and instead you just took advantage. Another stock that you guys do want to keep your eyes out on, and that is QUBT. This is another stock that I do feel as though is going to see a run here on today's trading, so do not miss out on this one as well. Like I said before, these last 3 days of trading has been a cool down / correction in the sector, and I do feel as though that we're going to see a continuation for the remainder of the week to the upside. If we go back to QBTS here really quickly, as you guys can see, last 3 days of trading from its peak, we saw a major retracement here on the 9th. Also retraced from yesterday's peak of that 538, and we're currently under that upper. That is a very great sign. Like I told you guys before, we do not want to continue to trade above this upper in the Bollinger, because it is going to make for a retracement like we did see here and also just recently. For those that is still holding the stock, as far as that $7 price target, I am very confident in that, so do not panic. Take advantage of these dips. If we look at yesterday's capital trend, we did see a drop off in outflow in favorment here on that extra large scale close towards the end of the day. I'd say that last 30 minutes of trading is where we did see a drastic pickup in outflow, which points to massive shorting going on. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, today is a full day of SSR for QBTS, and with that PT rise, this thing should run. Last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to talk about ACHR. And like I said before, if you're still holding this stock, please don't forget to comment the ticker in the comment section below. I want to see if we can get 20 of those comments. Now, as you guys can see here, we were approaching this mid Bollinger here. Bouncing off of that is a very great bull flag, but you have to take into consideration, guys, we did actually drop here. Didn't challenge that lower. I don't feel as though that we're going to challenge the lower anytime soon around that $6.56 levels. Far as ACHR, if we do actually cross those $6.50 levels, it's more than likely ACHR may return back towards those $5.78 levels here by the end of the week. That is still if we continue to see this downwards momentum. Right now, we do see a drop in volume, a drastic drop in volume here in ACHR from the previous week. That does come with a scare sign, if you ask me. And if we take a brief look and just check out our interpretations of indicators, a great cheat sheet for novice and new traders that does not understand how to read charts really well. Well, this cheat sheet will give you the sentiment. And as you guys can see here, we do see a slight early warning signal here on the day, 60-minute, no overall, as well as the 1 minute. And the PCD currently for ACHR isn't all that high, ladies and gentlemen, and that is why I feel as though that we're going to see a turnaround here very shortly. Far as a great buy zone, ladies and gentlemen, I would hold off on buying the stock just now and wait for it to get back towards those $6.56 levels if that does take place. I don't consider this current price a great dip buying opportunity because it can still continue to retrace depending on market conditions. Right now basically we got an unclear direction in ACHR, so we should just basically follow the market. Well, it should follow the direction of the market here on today's trading. So with that being said, depending on how well the markets do here today, ACHR should follow along as well. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will be updating other stocks here shortly, so make sure you check out these upcoming videos, and may the gains be with you.